got new bags, and they all collapse. Need both sides of the 12, need both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their house, sleet snow grind for the well.
Welcome back, y'all. Today in this episode, we're going to be covering the engine bay. I'm going to be taking off the intake manifold, intake, basically the whole right side, getting the wiring out, the DME out, and then I'm also going to be swapping my steering racks and putting in a genuine BMW E46 steering coupler. Hopefully by the end of the day, we'll be pulling the motor and at least bolting up. NGK spark plugs and coil packs. Never go wrong with them, man. I had 4 misfires when I first got it. Did valve cover, coil packs, spark plugs, and then I later got the Mitazone aluminum valve cover. But damn, she's got dirty. Well, I've done as much as I can off camera, but some of these things I just don't want to remove. One being as I don't have anything to really replace them with, so we're just going to keep them on while we're lifting the engine. So what we'll do is we'll go inside, get some food, take a little tiny break, gather our head, and get back to everything. All right, guys, we're back. I still need to get my struts and my H&R sports springs. Right, the thicker sway bar from the 325i, my steering rack from the 325i, a brand new, genuine BMW steering coupler. I need to take the motor mount, the driver's side motor mount, and put it onto here because this one was gone. This one's still okay for now. Got my control, my Linforder control arm bushings, my Linforder tie rods. Control arm bushings are in the trunk. I still got to put those on. I'll do that later. The control arm's a limb forwarder, tie rods are limb forwarder, as well as end links. That's all swapped over. This is just fitted here, ready for the motor. Bolts go right here. And I was just trying to figure out fuel line, so I'm just gonna use my M52 fuel rail. These are the fuel and return line. So we'll just keep those on there, like that, and droop those over. Oh, and for wiring, I'm gonna be using the M52 wiring, as well as we're going to, so what we have to do, or what I have to do, is splice my O2 sensor wires, connect those. I need to throttle body, I need to splice that and redo that. I know there's connectors within the DME that I need to depin and repin. So just got done swapping the fuel pumps because this car left me on the side of the road, so I bought a new fuel pump. I was not letting that just go. Went ahead and cleaned up. I want my fenders. I need to swap the hoods, the trunks. But I'm gonna go ahead and just start getting this motor out, start putting it in the other one. Oh, I'm so excited. This is what I've been thinking about every night. I'm excited and happy. I kind of did a little bit of cleaning too, you know, with this stuff, and then a rag. I don't know. What do y'all think? Does it look good? I mean, there's some rough spots, but some rough spots, but it's all that I can do in an apartment complex. I mean, come on, you know. I think tonight, after I swap the motor, get the cars to be able to roll, because they're paving everything tomorrow and everything will get towed if it's left here. But let's go ahead and swap this motor, get stuff mounted up and bolted up, and we're good. Whoops. There we go. Steering rack's out of the way. She's ready. Motor mounts are unbolted. Trans mounts are unbolted. We're supported. Alright guys, I had to take the hood off, as well as this one, because I mean, it's gonna have to go in there. I'm so excited for this, but let's keep at it. Oh, my finger. Oh, like I said, I thought that motor mount was good. But when I pulled this motor out, it ripped that too. So we're just gonna wing it. Now I just have to splice wiring, depinning, repinning. Sorry, it's really tight. I'm really tired, y'all, and I still have some stuff that I want to do. And then the power steering pump is gonna go on. Well, it's bracket, and everything's gonna go on. Get all these straps off. Get the DME, and everything probably over there. At 130 steady so far.